Don't put polyester on your body. Alcohol ruins your body. Welcome to Curly Carbocation. Please subscribe and stay tuned. The reason why my makeup isn't done yet is because I just finished up a contour map video on curly calculus, so go check that out. Oftentimes you recognize these everyday ingredients in everyday product. Now companies have to display all these ingredients unless they have a patent on it, and I think it's even restricted at that. Like what I mentioned earlier about polyester, everyone knows that it's just fake silk, right? But if you took organic chemistry, then you understand that polyester isn't a specific ingredient, but a category of ingredients. Poly means multiple, and ester just means it's this certain kind of shape. Up here is an ester, and down here is a carboxylic acid. They're very similar in shape, both have that double bonded oxygen, but an ester is connected to another R group with that oxygen, whereas a carboxylic acid only has that OH next to that double bonded carbon. Same thing with alcohol. They're just a category of molecules. Like in this one, it says alcohol denatured. Imagine your mom is asking you on your way to school, what are you wearing to school? That's kind of like the government asking these companies, what are you putting in your products? And if you're someone who changes your clothes at school, you're like, I'm wearing pants and a shirt, mom. Knowing full well you got your tightest crop top and lowest cut pants that you know that she would never approve of. Now, I'm not saying these companies have malicious intent. However, they are entitled to keeping their trade secrets a secret. Why would you want someone profiting off of your secret family recipe, you know? So these companies say something general like alcohol, polyester, knowing full well there's a whole IUPAC name that will actually describe its actual shape. And then that way other companies aren't going to know exactly what they're using. It's like someone asking for your secret family recipe and you're like, oh, we use milk and eggs for that cake? Knowing full well that they're going to buy some cheap store-bought brand of milk and you're going to get yours farm fresh from the only farmer that you trust. It's kind of the same thing with using a generic name, not the full IUPAC name, on an ingredients list. But from a marketing standpoint, I feel like people would just trust an IUPAC name way less because there's gonna be so many numbers and dashes in a word that they won't even know what to do. Same thing with alcohol, except you can kind of trust that alcohol is just ethanol, the drinking alcohol that is. Remember, your best weapon is your mind, and the best way you can prepare yourself is to be educated in everything that you can be as much as possible. That way no one can hoodwink you and no one can try to scare you on Facebook. Heck, you can even make some things at home. In my next video, I'll actually go over functional groups. OChem was difficult, but it has given me the greatest skills out of everything that I've taken. Don't let yourself get hoodwinked. And don't let yourself get scared either. If this video helped you, please give me a like and I will see you next time. Bye!